Now I would like to invite our glorious Professor A. Sitti Jaafera, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, to do a great work.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar on Know Your Virtual Colleagues, Robots. I feel more privileged and get held of this opportunity to welcome today's chief guest, who is an experienced automation specialist with a demonstrated history of working as a lead software engineer in EPAM Systems, Hyderabad, India. He has over 11 years of software industry experience in various leading roles, including software model lead, SSIS developer, .NET programmer, and automation lead. He is an industry acknowledged expert in the technologies Uipath, MSBI, SAP automation, SSIS, and also in so many software technologies. Moreover, he is vastly experienced in team management, monitoring teams, and directing all stages of software development. In addition to the feathers added in his cap, he won the first prize in the Uipath Power Up Automation Project in Uipath headquarters, Bangalore. Uipath is a popular and progressive robotic process automation tool that enables users to automate various aspects of business processes and is used to mimic the actions of a human being who is interacting with digital systems. Apart from this, he is one of the best students of our department. He completed his master's MCA in the year of 2010 in our esteemed institution. During the period of his study, he is more interactive, intelligent, more disciplined, and having more interest in the field of software industry. Even at the end of every session, he come to the department and asked doubts and discussed so many topics with faculty members of our department. It's a great honor and I feel more proud to introduce Mr. Sudhir Nimagada, our old student, one of the best students as the resource person on behalf of PG and Research Department of Computer Science. Welcome you, sir. I am sure we will be enriched by this webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.